Okay. Hello guys, for today's video, for tonight video is magmumukbang kami ng mga chichirya together my best friends. Alright, so mayroon tayong tatlong guests para sa vlog na to. Ang una natin tatawagin is ang pinakamasikip at pinakasikat na vlogger dito sa Minabay, Boldo. Sino? Wala nyo. Si Brian Vlog. So Brian Vlog, dito ka muna.
Hello guys.
So the next na guest natin is si Dato Bahri, ang pinaka pokpok sa aming magkakaibigan. Vlog natin to eh. Nagsayang ako ng mga chichirya para. Okay, so guys, ngayon, ang purpose ng vlog na to is para kumain kami ng mga chichirya. At the same time, mag-uusap-usap kami. May mga hinanda.
Pero disclaimer lang guys, hindi to sponsored ng mga binili namin ng chichirya.
Yeah. Sa akin to guys.
Ano sa'yo? Binili ko ganun.
Okay nga ni, wala kayong sponsor dito.
Wala pang sponsor.
Okay, yeah.
Ay, hindi sponsored ng mga company na
Nagparabang may company tayo dito. Okay, so yun na nga guys, ang purpose talaga ng video na to is para makipagkwentuhan, to have some bonding, at the same time, may mga hinanda akong mga question para sa aming lahat and kailangan sasagutin namin yun. So through that guys, para mas intense yung vlog na to, is i-challenge ko sila na hindi kami pwede magsalita ng Tagalog. Kailangan English lang. Okay, so guys, start na. So now, from now on, I will not allow you to speak Tagalog. Okay? So before we formally start our vlog,
Ano to?
don't speak Tagalog.
What is this, Tagalog?
Yes, is this vlog? So, before we start our vlog,
Kanina pa yung nakastart to eh.
okay. Okay, so now it starts. So the question is, i-edit lang yun.
Hindi,
Okay.
huwag mo na-edit kasi parang
Ang
mahaba.
pangit ng ganyan.
Oh, you said.
Yeah, I said it multiple choice. Okay, so guys, since our guests decided to introduce themselves, I have no choice but to follow their dreams. ikaw na ang una. You introduce yourself.
Yeah, so first and foremost, I would like to take this opportunity to find this beautiful woman to be one of his guests for today's night. So that's all. Thank you.
Kuya Brian, you can now start. Introduce yourself. State your name, United States.
Hello po, assalamualaikum. My name is Sai Faisal from the Minabay. Elementary school. No, wrong. Wrong pala yun. Graduated the Carib National High School, guys. My bali. Bachelor of Science and Technology, guys.
Please your introduction. The main purpose of this is to have some band, to entertain you guys. It's very difficult to speak English.
Don't bash.
Don't bash, because you know that perfectionist is not the part of living things. So I prepared some question for them. The question is, how's your studying? How's your academics?
How much your age? My account is very academic because I swear,
Passion to the Lord.
honestly, I'm not okay for my accounts because I take the wrong course or program. I do believe na if I can't survive this, I believe that it is not meant for me. Yeah, because Qadr is Qadr, no? That's all and I thank you.
Kumusta yung academics mo ngayon?
Hirap kasi graduate. Mahirap sa student na kuan.
Maging mahirap, no? Mahirap ako mahirap. That's the truth.
I mean, mahirap talaga pag mahirap ka talaga kasi na wala kang budget like
Pero,
me
Yeah.
na work student guys from the caring. So, sige ka.
Ano lang? Since I provided my question, so can you please ask us?
As a student, it is one of the most questions that we need to ask in our co-students, no? How are you talaga?
Okay, so I will be honest for my answer for what I feel right now. I can say it's a kind of sad. It's very difficult talaga to study in college because you know that I love chicken nuggets. Okay, so ikaw, kumusta ka ngayon?
Ito, kumakain buhay pa rin.
Oo. Oo.
So,
Okay, so dito na natin tatapusin ang vlog na to. So thank you guys.